welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I am architect Webhavi and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Today we are diving into one of the most precious gifts given by the nature earth, which is timber, and which is a very versatile construction material. So let's just get started with today's video. Let's just discuss about the material timber, from ancient temples to modern eco homes, how it has stood the test of the time. Let's just discuss about the facts of this material. Let's just discuss the techniques that has been involved in this building material, and let's just decode this material in depth. So let's just get started with today's video. If you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. So let's just get started with today's PPT, timber as a building material. So what is timber? Timber is wood that has been processed and prepared for use in the building and carpentry. So we all know the wood has been there from the centuries, and it can be used in very versatile way in the building construction and carpentry or the interiors. It is a natural renewable material obtained from trees, and it is valued for strength, versatility and warm aesthetic appeal. Timber is used both in structural applications like framing, beams, and in functional or decorative ones such as flooring, furniture, and paneling. Okay, now let's discuss about the classification of timber and what are the types of timber that has been used from the centuries for different and various purposes. So, what is softwood? So, the softwood is sourced from the coniferous trees such as pine, cedar, and spruce, which usually have needles and cones. Okay, these trees grow faster, making them more affordable and sustainable in many cases. That's why we use these in framing, roof trusses, formwork, cladding, and furniture. They are typically lighter, less dense, and easier to work with than the hardwoods. Now, coming to the hardwoods. So hardwood is harvested from deciduous trees like oak, teak, mahogany, and maple, which shed their leaves annually. These are much more denser, more durable, and more expensive than the softwoods. Hence, it is used in applications like strength, resilience, such as flooring, high quality furniture, and decorative elements. Now, let's discuss about the types of timber used in construction. Basically, there are six types of timber like teak, sal, deodar, pine, cedar, and mahogany. Let's just understand these six can be used in which applications. So, teak can be used when it is needed a highly durable material, weather resistant hardwood, ideal for outdoor uses. Sal, when it's a heavy construction, dense and strong timber is needed, then the sal can be used. Deodar, it is suited for beams and rafters. It is aromatic, lightweight, and softwood. Then comes the pine, which is very affordable and easy to work with, so commonly used for framing and interior joinery. Then comes the cedar. It's naturally resistant to decay and insects, perfect for cladding and fencing. Then comes mahogany, valued for its beauty, stability, and widely used in the pine furniture and doors. So now let's just discuss different uses of timber in the construction. So first we have doors and windows. Timber frames provide natural insulation and can be shaped for aesthetic appeal. Offers timeless beauty with rich natural grains and textures, and it can be easily carved, shaped and paneled. It can be sanded, polished or repainted to refresh the look. Natural sound dampening properties, it helps reduce the noise. Now discussing about the flooring. So hardwood floors are prized for their durability and attractive appearance. It has that timeless look with elegance. It is easy to clean and maintain. Long lifespan and refinishing options improves indoor air quality. It adds property value. So roofs, wood rafters, trusses and beams support roofing structures. High strength to weight ratio ideal for large spans. It gives rustic, warm and elegant look in the interiors and exteriors both. It is quicker to assemble and can be repaired without full replacement. It is excellent thermal insulation. It helps regulate temperature indoors. Now discussing about fencing, timber posts and rails form fences for security, privacy and marking boundaries. Blends beautifully with outdoor landscapes. It is biodegradable and renewable if sourced sustainably. Damaged panels can be replaced individually, affordable especially compared to metal or stone options. Now discussing about furniture, from basic chairs to tables to ornate cabinets, beds, timber remains a favorite material for its workability and beauty. Now scaffolding, it's a sturdy timber poles and planks which are used to build work platforms like you can see in the picture, temporary supports during construction of any building for plastering, painting, brickwork at height, used in rural or small scale construction projects, frequently used in traditional Indian construction methods. Okay. Now discussing about the formwork, it is a temporary mold which shape the concrete until it sets. Temporary molds for casting concrete used in low-rise buildings, foundation and small-scale construction. Often used in combination with plywood, ideal for one-time or low-volume concrete works. Okay. So what is a temporary structure? A building or assembly designed for short-term use, typically lasting from hours, months, or rather years. These structures are erected to fulfill specific time limited needs during such events like construction projects or for storage purposes. Okay. Then discussing about cladding, timber panels or boards serves as external coverings offering protection from the elements or enhancing the visual appeal. Okay. Interior feature walls or accent panels, and it can be used in the fall ceilings or soffits also. Then facades of commercial buildings for a natural look, decorative coverings for columns of beams. Now discussing about the houses, timber frame houses are common worldwide offering warmth, character and design flexibility. In this particular house, you can construct a roof, walls, post lintels, window doors, everything using timber, and it can still look and give that warmth, and it will only enhance the look and the aesthetics. Now let's discuss about the advantages of timber. It's renewable. Timber can be regrown, making it sustainable choice. It's a lightweight material, so it is easier to transport and handle compared to concrete or steel. High strength to weight ratio. Timber offers remarkable strength relative to its weight. Easy to work with. It can be cut, shaped, joined, carved using simple tools. Aesthetic appeal adds natural warmth and character to the structures, and it provides thermal insulation which helps regulate indoor temperature. So now let us discuss about disadvantages of timber. So it can be susceptible to fire, prone to decay, affected by insects and require maintenance. Except these four disadvantages, timber is a very beautiful material if treated well and taken proper maintenance. So now starting with the defects in timber. So first is natural defects, knots, shakes and wrapping. So knots are circular spots where branches were attached which can weaken timber. Then shakes, cracks along the grown rings often due to wind, frost or rapid growth. Then wrapping, bending or twisting caused by uneven drying or growth stress. Then there are defects caused by external forces like wind cracks and frost cracks. Wind cracks are longitudinal cracks from strong winds swaying the tree, and frost are splits from the rapid temperature changes in the winter. Then fungal defects, the blue stain or decay or rot. Okay, discoloration from fungal infection and especially in softwoods, you can be able to observe more. And then decay or rot, breakdown of wood structures leading to loss of strength and integrity. So defects from seasoning, splitting, cupping and twisting. Splitting means cracks that develop when drying is too rapid or uneven. Cupping when edges of boards turn upwards or downwards. Then twisting, irregular spiral distortion along the length of the wood. Now coming to the timber seasoning. Seasoning is the process of removing excess moisture from the timber which improves strength, stability and resistance to decay. It has two methods like natural seasoning and artificial seasoning. So natural seasoning, stacking timber in open air, slow burn, energy efficient. Then discussing about artificial seasoning, using controlled heat and humidity to speed up drying and achieve uniform results. Okay. Proper seasoning prevents wrapping, shrinking and fungal attack. Then discussing about the last topic which is timber prevention. So there are three types of methods to prevent timber from chemical preservatives, pressure treatment and surface treatments, and the last, which is timber joints. Okay. Timber structures often employ traditional joints for strength and stability, mortise and tenon, then dovetail joint and finger joint. There are different types of joineries, and we will be discussing that in the next video. In this PPT, you will be seeing some of the joineries in the next slide. And yes, with that we have discussed about timber as a building material. I have previous some of the videos on building construction materials, so please check that out. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, comment, share. Do not forget to subscribe, as it will help me to make more videos for you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye.